All right, we are moving on to question number 26 for our Bart quiere un gato story. All right, so question 26 says, ¿Cuál es el nombre del gato? Now this question's kind of tricky because you haven't really seen some of these words before. ¿Cuál means which or what. Es means is. El nombre means the name. Del gato, of the cat. So, which or what is the name of the cat? Now, if we scroll back up to our reading, Gladys said right here, Mi gato es Dirk. My cat is Dirk. Now, we can't just copy that to our answer because the question is, what is the name of the cat? And if we had copied that, it would have said, my cat is Dirk. Well, that doesn't really answer the question properly. So Dirk is the name of the cat, right? Well, in our question, it's kind of like asking a who question. Who is the name of the cat? I guess, kind of. So we're going to take this. This is the name of the cat, because she asked which or what is the name of the cat. Dirk is the name of the cat. Dirk es el nombre del gato. So we're using words from our question in our answer. So, Dirk is the name of the cat. 27. ¿Cómo es Dirk? ¿Cómo, how, es, is, Dirk. How is Dirk? So if we go back up to our story, Gladys says, es un gato excelente. We can take that, we're going to copy it, Control C, scroll down to where we want it, and put it here. Now I think that this is a little vague, so I'm going to type his name. Dirk is an excellent cat. Dirk es un gato excelente. 28. ¿Qué tiene Gladys? What has Gladys? Or what does Gladys have? What does she have? She has a cat, right? So we can say Gladys tiene, Gladys has un gato. Gladys has the cat. Now if we wanted to confirm that that sentence is right, we can go up to our story. Well, this one says Gladys has the cat. And in my answer, I wrote a cat. So I guess I can change that to the cat. There's only a slight difference there. The difference, a cat meaning a random cat. Maybe it wasn't Dirk. The cat meaning Dirk. 29. ¿Qué recibe Bart? What receives Bart? Or what does Bart receives? What does he receive? Well, he gets the cat, right? And notice we're not going to Google to say what Bart gets the cat. We're using words from the story and from the question. So Bart recibe el gato. Bart receives the cat. And if we scroll back up to our story, right here, Bart recibe el gato. Bart receives the cat. Número 30. ¿A dónde va Bart cuando recibe el gato? ¿A dónde? To where? Va, goes, Bart. Cuando, when. Recibe, when he receives. El gato, the cat. So where does Bart go when he receives the cat? Where does he go? Oh yeah, he goes back to California, right? California. Well, we can't just write California because that's not a complete sentence. So we want to say Bart goes to California. Bart, he goes is va a to California. Bart va a California. And when does he go there? He goes there when he receives the cat. So we're going to restate part of our question and put it into our answer. Bart va a California cuando recibe el gato. Bart goes to California when he receives the cat. You also could have gone up to the story and you could have said, Bart tiene el gato y va a California. Bart has the cat and he goes to California. That's an acceptable answer too. So I'll put that in here. Last question in this section. 31. ¿Cómo está Bart y por qué? How is Bart and why? How is he at the very end of our story? He's contento, right? He's happy. So this very last line in our story says, Bart está muy contento porque tiene un gato. Bart is very happy because he has a cat. Hooray! Wonderful. All right, now for these about me questions. For these ones here, it might be beneficial for you to have your little slide with all of the verbs on it. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the content library and you're going to copy that over to your page. So you're going to click on this little caret to open the navigation panel. You're going to click on Content Library and click on TPRS 1.1. That will show you the 1.1 story. If you scroll down almost all the way to the bottom, there's this brown slide here, brownish tan. Click on it. Push Control and C on your keyboard to copy it. And then open the navigation panel again. Click on your name. Remember, mine looks different because I'm the teacher. Click on your name, pre-unit, and Bart quiere un gato. Right? And then just paste that slide in here so you can see it. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller just so it's not as aggressively large. Alright, so now that I have this in here, this is going to help me get my verbs right, into the right form. Alright? And I don't know why, but my numbering is messed up over here again too. So number 1 says, ¿Quién eres? ¿Quién eres? If we look up here, ¿Quién means who? Eres is are you. Who are you? So we know that we're going to use something from this section here. We're going to say I am. So we're going to say soy. And I'm going to put my answers in these double brackets. Okay. When it asks who are you, you're going to say soy and then your name. Who are you? I am Bob. Now the only reason I'm not writing my name is because there were some people that were literally just copying my answers. And so they were just saying soy Krishna. No, you are not Krishna because I'm the only Krishna. So all right, pregunta número 2. Número 2, ¿qué eres? ¿Qué eres? ¿Qué means what? Eres, are you? What are you? What are you? We know we're going to use something from this same section, so we're going to say soy. Soy, I am. And this is where you're going to say I'm a boy, soy un chico, or a girl, soy una chica. Or if you don't want to conform to any of those, you can just say soy una persona, I'm a student. Maybe you want to tell me that you're a student, soy un estudiante. All right? Something. What are you? What are you? I'm a boy, I'm a girl. Número 3. ¿Dónde estás? ¿Dónde estás? ¿Dónde is where? ¿Estás? Are you? Where are you? So for this one, we know we're going to use the verb estoy, I am. So we're going to type estoy. And this is where your answers can be as generic or as specific as you'd like them to be. Maybe you're estoy, oh wait, forgot. You're usually in a location when you are somewhere. So estoy en, maybe Tennessee. Maybe you're going to say estoy en Memphis. Maybe you're at home, estoy en casa. Maybe you're saying you're in bed, in la cama. I'm in bed. All right? Maybe you're going to say you're in school, en la escuela. Pick one. You don't have to have all of those. Just pick one. Right? Número 4. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo? How? Estás? Are you? How are you? So if we use our little cheater slide, we know that we're going to have estoy in our answer. Now I know that if you're walking down the hallway and somebody's like, hey, how are you? You're just going to say, oh, good. But since we're learning a language, we have to have full sentences here. All right? So estoy bien, I'm good. Estoy mal, I'm bad. Estoy cansado or cansada is going to be tired, right? So remember, when I type that little at symbol in there, that little at symbol is telling you that if you are a male, you need to end it. Your word needs to end with an O. If you are a female, it needs to end with an A. So cansado for tired males, cansada for tired females. And let's see, good, bad, tired. Oh, what if you're sick? Enfermo or enferma. All right. There's a little sick emoji. There's got to be a little sick emoji, right? This guy here. He's very sick. All right. All right. Número 5. ¿Qué tienes? ¿Un perro o un gato? Okay, man. ¿Qué? ¿Qué means what? Tienes, you have. Un perro, woof woof. O un gato, meow. What do you have? A dog or a cat? So we're going to say here, tengo. Tengo is I have. And this is where you're going to tell me, do you have a dog or a cat? And here you can change out the number here and make sure if you have a number that you tell me I have 2 dogs. So you just add an S. Don't tell me I have 2 dog, right? Maybe you don't have a dog or a cat. So you would say, no tengo, I don't have un perro, I don't have a dog, o for or, un gato. All right, last one here. Número 6. ¿Qué quieres? Un perro o un gato? What do you want? A dog or a cat? Now for this one, just you can either lie to me or you can be honest with me. It doesn't matter to me. All right. So quieres right here, you want. We know in order to say I want, we have to say quiero. So quiero. Everyone's answer is going to have quiero in it. And you can tell me un perro or un gato, your choice. Or maybe you're very, very stubborn and you don't want any of those things. So you're going to tell me I don't want, no quiero un perro, I don't want a dog, o or un gato. All right? And that's all on those ones. Ooh, sorry y'all. Super.